Albert Einstein did not become famous in a grand laboratory or a prestigious university. He became famous while working quietly in a patent office, reviewing inventions during the day and questioning the nature of reality at night. At the start of the 20th century, physics seemed complete. Yet Einstein suspected something fundamental was missing. Within a few years, his ideas would change how humanity understands space, time, matter, and energy. This is the story of how curiosity and independent thinking reshaped the universe. Albert Einstein was one of the most influential thinkers in human history, a man whose ideas reshaped how we understand space, time, energy, and the universe itself. Unlike many celebrated scientists, Einstein did not rise through traditional academic success. He questioned authority, rejected rigid learning systems, and relied heavily on imagination and thought experiments. At the turn of the 20th century, physics appeared nearly complete. Yet, Einstein would expose deep flaws in its foundations. Through curiosity, independence, and relentless questioning, he transformed science and permanently altered humanity's view of reality. Einstein's childhood was marked by change and uncertainty. His family moved from Ulm to Munich and later to Italy as business ventures failed and restarted. In school, Einstein felt constrained by strict teaching methods and rote learning. Outside the classroom, however, he thrived. He explored mathematics, music, and philosophy on his own terms. These formative years taught him self-reliance and reinforced his belief that imagination and understanding mattered more than obedience. As a teenager, Einstein taught himself advanced mathematics and geometry, often studying far beyond his formal curriculum. He read scientific works and philosophical texts, training his mind to wrestle with difficult ideas. Eventually, he enrolled at a technical institute in Zurich to study physics and mathematics. Although he completed his studies successfully, Einstein did not fit the traditional academic mold. When he graduated, university positions were scarce, and his unconventional style left him overlooked by many professors. Unable to secure a teaching position, Einstein accepted a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. His work involved evaluating technical inventions and determining whether they truly functioned. Though the job seemed ordinary, it sharpened his analytical skills. By day, he examined machines. By night, he explored deep questions about light and motion. This quiet period, far from academic pressure, became the turning point that allowed his most revolutionary ideas to take shape. Einstein's most important scientific contributions emerged during a remarkable period in 1905, often called his miracle year. While working as a patent clerk in Switzerland, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that transformed modern physics. The first explained the photoelectric effect, demonstrating that light behaves not only as a wave, but also as discrete packets of energy, later called photons. This discovery laid the foundation for quantum theory and would eventually earn Einstein the Nobel Prize in Physics. In another paper, Einstein showed how the motion of tiny particles suspended in liquid could be used to prove the existence of atoms and molecules. This work provided decisive evidence that matter is composed of fundamental particles, a fact that had previously been debated for centuries. His most revolutionary contribution was the special theory of relativity, which revealed that time and space are not absolute but depend on the motion of the observer. From this theory emerged the famous equation E equals mc squared, demonstrating that mass and energy are interchangeable. Together, these ideas redefined physics, challenged long-held assumptions, and opened the door to technologies that continue to shape the modern world. As Einstein's reputation grew, so did personal and political challenges. His family life was complicated, and Europe was moving toward conflict. Einstein was a committed pacifist, who opposed war and nationalism, even as tensions escalated. Despite criticism and controversy, he continued his research, pushing beyond special relativity toward a deeper understanding of gravity. Fame brought recognition, but it also brought pressure and scrutiny that followed him for the rest of his life. Einstein's influence reaches far beyond theoretical physics. His discoveries laid the foundation for technologies that shape everyday life, from solar cells and lasers to satellite navigation systems. Concepts from relativity are essential for the accuracy of modern GPS, while his work on light helped drive the development of countless electronic devices. Beyond science, Einstein became a global cultural icon, symbolizing curiosity, creativity, and intellectual courage. His willingness to question authority and challenge accepted ideas continues to inspire scientists, thinkers, and innovators around the world. His willingness to question authority and challenge accepted ideas continues to inspire scientists, thinkers, and innovators around the world. Albert Einstein's story is not simply one of brilliance, but of perseverance and imagination. He proved that asking the right questions can be more powerful than following accepted answers. From a quiet patent office to the front pages of history, his ideas transformed our understanding of the universe. Einstein reminds us that curiosity, courage, and independent thought can change the world.